Hey folks, what I got here? And today we're repairing Randy's fan. It looks like the half a dozenth time or more. I'll just reach under there and disconnect the PTO. Pull these two pins here. A little shake and bake and twist those babies out and back. In again. This up. This up. Pull that out. As long as you know what you're doing, these decks come right on and off. Alright, that was the easy part. Try to shine some light on this. Yep, this brand new fan. You got something caught up in here and you friggin' mangled it. Oh, the fan broke right off of itself. Look at that. Wonderful. Alright, well. I really wish they would design these fans like the Little Wonders. Put some mean teeth on those babies. I think that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to fix this baby up good. Zip ties. Couple Kubota bolts holding this baby together. It's true. Well, looks like you tried taking that bolt off. Not sure if this light is helping the video at all, but helping me. These walkers are very precise, engineered little machines here. And I didn't have the exact size bolt, so I had to use a couple washers. Which is better than the other guy did. His other buddy welded that right to that. But this has to come off so we can drop the fan straight down. Oh boy, we're gonna have to get down in there and get all nasty. There's one more 17 hiding. Mess everywhere. player. Yep. Number one reason why I can't wait to get out this city. The amount of traffic. Yeah, there's a 3-family right there. They're great. Sketchy house across the street. More people coming and going. Right next to a school. Cops are there all the time. I'm gonna get all greasy. Alright, let's not lose these. Oh, that stuff is important. Well, there's the sockets I was probably looking for. Alright, we got that done. Next, we'll have to get under there. There's a little bracket that goes underneath. Before we do that, I'm gonna have to get this baby jacked up. And that's not fun. And I'll be back. Bike's not in the way here. Emma, you stay there. You stay there. What do you got? Come on, Mr. Jet. Oop, Emma, get in there. It was just in there. Let's try this again. Let's see if that gives us enough room. Or if not, I'll put my jack underneath the tire. Yeah. Let's try to stay clean. Yeah, right. Alright, here we go. 9/16 wrenches now. Get this bolt out. Ready? Let's see if we can get this one in the back here. Let's see what size this is. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to jack this baby right on up. I don't have enough room. Nice convenient hole. Put the jacks in or what? Am I not gonna make it? That's crap. Oh, that's crappy. Right. Reposition. Careful. Oop, I think that's it. Oh, I need to go a little more, a little more. Again, a little more. Ooh, that's looking good. Not an easy machine to wrench on. See if I can get a better tool. Alrighty, let's try again. A little more room. And our ratchet. It's like just enough room. Yeah. Oh my God, I have to replace this bolt. It's been used too many times. I'll use it again. Things on there. All right. Maybe it's time to replace that one. And this bolt here literally is just every single one of these fans. This piece of metal breaks off this fan. If Walker were gonna do anything for an upgrade, beef this area up with like 2 bolts all day long. All day long. Better fan blades. Let's see how difficult this next step is. Maybe I just need this 1 second. If I remember correctly, I probably was so stupid to put red Loctite on this bolt. So the thing is just famous for breaking. Oh. Alrighty. Get that out. So I'm gonna have to definitely replace that bolt, but whenever possible. 8.8 or better. If I had 10.9, I'd use it. Oh, I got grease everywhere. Oh, this ain't good. Alright, well, we get that out, we get that out, we get that out. Now there's these 2 12mm bolts that are up and in here. And yeah, if I had help right now, it'd definitely be a lot easier. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the reach around. We're gonna do the reach around. Get this music going. All right, that's on loosen. I'm not gonna see as good as I can, but take my word for it. I have to hold that one there. one. So this next one will be fun because it's all gonna come falling down on me now. Ooh, that one's in there good. Let me put this on. Ooh, the extension will help. Reach my hand through here. I guess if I took that wheel off, it'd probably make my life a little easier. But, literally just have to kind of feel around for the nut under here and go for it. Oh, yeah, that goes. Am I gonna have to take? I gotta take that out of my way, or am I gonna be able to get by? Shit. Oh, these walkers are just so much fun. Oh yeah, my yard will be getting cleaned up after this one. Can I get you in there? 9/16? What do you say? What do you say? You wanna fit? Oh, I know you do. There we go. Alright, get that out. I'll just leave that right there. I can reach back up in here. Is that free? Alright, get the nut. Fortunately, because he was literally, because he bent that blower, it might not fit through. What are you hung up on? I don't know. I don't know. Where'd I put that stupid hammer? What are we hung up on? I don't know. Oh, I think he's hung up down here because he bent it out. Literally, there's no room. There's no room for error on this turd. Oh. Looks like we got a spring we gotta get rid of. Famous. Crap. And we'll be back after intermission. 1,166.6 hours. 666. Oh my. Alright, let's just go ahead and get this belt off. Get the man out of there. Take the belt. Carefully fold it back. And it stays right in place right there. No problem. Get a job. Yeah, and probably coming down now. Should have. Alright, don't lose you. Put this nut back on so we don't lose anything. Oh. And he punished that fan. Ow! Coming out now? Come on. What are we hung up now? See, it's right there. Alright, that helps. There we go. Yeah, there is no room for error on this fan. Oh my god. Whew. Alright. Well, let me get some tools and let's get that apart. Oh, even check out that little bolt there. There's a carriage bolt right there with a 7/16 nut. Yeah, this fan is like brand new. Ugh. Oof. All right, let's see if we can get these, get an extension. Clean that up a little bit. Let's see how this goes. Bitch. Oh, yeah, that thing's smoked. The bearings feel still brand new. Unbelievable. Oh, the weld's holding up back here. Yeah, I beefed this up real good. Alright, and now I'm just gonna dig through the last 4 fans from, this is Randy's second walker. He had a gas model, and then he bought the diesel, the Kubota. And he goes through about a fan every 2 years. Oh, good Lord. Well, I just took this fan apart. Yeah, look at that. I didn't even realize how bad that was. The whole bearing housing came. Bearing's still feeling alright. Save that for the balancer I was going to build. Yeah, and you see here, patched it up there. Every time it's going to wear through the bottom here. They only extended this little reinforcement plate more. See, once again, this little tab breaks off every single time. And because they fucking don't really weld this top part so well, it breaks every single time too. So I always end up welding it back in. And like I said, you can, good for a year, they blow up, you fix them, you get another year out of them. And now we got parts. Ooh, I think this fan's looking better than this one. Seems like That fan did get bent here a little bit. It's a lot less worn out. It's nice and straight. I wonder if I could try to bend that back a little. Or do we just clean this one up? Because I'm never going to be able to bend that back. They're both worn out just about the same. Alright, we're going to use that one. Let's get all this trash put away. Look at that one. And folks, when I tell you I have over 40 hours into this machine a couple weeks ago, a month ago, I had to replace the gearbox, all the belts, ignition switch, tune-up, coolant. I took the radiator out, I flushed it, I straightened out all the fins. He picks it up 15 minutes later, blows it up. Unbelievable. Even though I'm wearing my safety glasses, I am still practicing my safety squints. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot. How'd I do for eyeballing? Close enough. Yeah, and we'll just weld those right on the back of those. And I'll probably have to grind up a little bit. That's probably the long one there. Yeah, that's the long one. That one fits perfect. Alright, if I script these together, I'll clean them up, clean this all up, and we'll get to welding. Oh yeah. I think we're looking better. I welded on 3 pieces of metal where these fans were all hollowed out. It's definitely nothing pretty, but it will work. And now I'm gonna go back to the welding machine and I'm gonna weld all the way up. Probably weld some teeth or something on here, and I'm gonna strengthen these up, and we're gonna beef this up and use more wire if we have to. We're gonna. Yep, or else he's just gonna break it again if we don't go crazy. And he'll love it. There's these fans hollow out right there. And stuff gets stuck in them and rips those blades off every time. Develop some play. Should be able to get this out. It should come out. Hammer? Looking for a nice available punch. Mueller. As good as any. I think this should just come out. There we go. There we go. We have a eccentric locking collar. Another one over here. Looks like that one's doing all right. About the best I can do. Burn don't want to go down. Come on. Some lube on there. Alright, let me just clean something up, or just have to get a socket and put it on in there. Oh, come on. It's always going to be a challenge. Look at that. Now what am I going to do? Just drop stuff. Cut my glove. Get it next time. Did I get my socket stuck on there? I did. I really just did. Oh, this is horrible. It's working out exactly as I thought. I'm in big trouble now. Get that socket. Oh, this ain't good. Everything's falling apart. Oh, this ain't good. How do I do this to myself? What's going on so good? Oh, I think it's coming. No, it's not. Alright. We'll be back after a brief intermission. Stupidity. Alright, let's try this again. I just took a punch and punched it right on out of there. Piece of cake. Seems like it's staying in. I think when I cut my glove, it kept the bearing in. Alright. Let's put this thing back on here. Feels good. Good. And hit it one more time. One more time for good the measure. It's wonderful to me. Sometimes you just have a tight spot, but not this one. That's good and tight. Same thing. The next one here. Look at that balance. It's unbelievable. My balance job did all right. That's enough for a long time. Let's give this a little tap again. You need a bigger socket. Amazing, it likes to balance there. It's crazy. Have a big socket. How's that look? Those are good measures. Sounds wonderful. Make sure these are tight. It's nice and tight now. Now all I have to do is buff up my welding job and get this baby back together. Romero! You check out this Terminator fan I put together?
Oh, yeah.
Come look at it.
Same one?
Well, I need a new fan, but I welded the shit out of it.
That's cool. Were you able to bend it back?
No, I had another fan from one of the other blowers.
Oh, okay.
But it was still like, you know, it always wears out right there. You know, so I put those 3 pieces of metal on. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's all tight.
Nice.
Now I got never sees all over me.
Awesome, man. You blew a hydraulic line on the new machine.
Yeah? Nice.
Never put them on.
Back at it. Bit. Your finger's stuck in there. Beautiful. Alright. And it goes on one way. Alright. Don't get your fingers stuck in there. Yeah, next branch that gets in there will get ripped up. Or clogged. One or the other. All we can do is try. Alright, I need to find a carriage bolt for that. And we'll hammer that straight. Well, turns out it's a good thing I didn't do a scrap run on these things yet. Oh, is that gonna go? That one's stuck. It's just spinning. Crap. To the bucket of bolts. Come on. Come on, are we there yet? Got it. I got it. Very uncommon size carriage bolt. Come on. Let's get this baby back together. Alright. Now that big hammer. Fortunately, Randy put a pry bar in there and stretched all this out. Oh, he really didn't do that thing any favors, did he? Seems like that spread out a little bit. See if we can make an adjustment. Here's what it is. You really hammered it. That is enough fun for one night.